What is up, YouTube? Today's a pretty good day today. It's a little chilly outside, so I'm just gonna try and do this really quick. But I went ahead and I bought my lights, HIDs. So hopefully they'll look nice on this car, because I don't really feel like doing some crazy stuff to the headlights, but I just want to make them white because they're yellow right now, and I don't really like the tint. I also got my rotors for my car with the slots and the drill holes in them. So I'm kind of excited about that because my brakes were kind of squeaking, so I kind of needed new brakes anyways. So I was like, might as well just get the whole set. Put them all four sides, and I can put the brakes into. And these are actually the lights that I'm going to install. So they kind of have like a blue tint, so hopefully they're actually white, because I actually bought some lights like this before because I had a BMW and the halos went out on BMW, and so, you know, I thought they would be blue because the halos on the BMW were yellow, so it kind of looked ugly because, you know, the headlights were white. So I went and bought them, and it turned out to be yellow still. So hopefully these actually come out like they say in the packaging in the back. I got these from like AutoZone, so nothing real special. I did pay a little bit of like $70, something like that, for them. But I'm gonna go ahead and install those. I'm not really gonna do kind of like on how to install it, but I can actually do one on the side. So if you guys want to see something like that, I can always just record on the side and I'll post it anyways. Also my rotors as well. I probably won't do them today because, like I said, it's just a little cold, so I'm trying to do this quick before it goes night. It's, I don't know, it's like 4 or 3 in the afternoon. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and hopefully they turn out pretty good. And I'll kind of do just a little preview of what they look like now, so you guys can see, and then I'll go ahead and take the battery off and start installing these. All right. Now, before I start the video, just to let you guys know, they do require like gloves. I'm not really sure why, but they're like super sensitive apparently. So make sure you do use gloves when installing these things. Alright, so I just finished installing the lights. Actually, my dad's gonna come and he's actually gonna help me install the brakes. So here's what they actually look like. These are the front ones, and these are the back ones. They actually look pretty good. I want to be happy, especially these are ceramic. I got ceramic brakes with them. That's what they come with. At least that's what they recommend. So yeah, they'll definitely look a lot better, especially since they're a lot newer. But hopefully we can get this done before nighttime falls. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights. Let's pray that these are actually white. All right, let's see what they look like. And what do you know? They're actually yellow. See, this is what I always run into, problems like this. I swear. I don't even know where to begin. I knew they were going to be white. They're always... I mean, these aren't even white. These are like yellow. They're still yellow. They're not even... nowhere near white. I mean, I could expect... I mean, honestly, I was expecting blue, not yellow. So I'm gonna have to return these back. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to edit this because I already actually changed the front rotors. Right now out with my dad. It's a pretty good day today. So we're gonna do the back rotors, so that way you can actually see the whole car and complete. And I'll put what I did in the beginning, which was the lights, and just kind of make this a whole complete video. And just let me know what y'all think. Well, I like the way it came out. Like I said, the lights didn't come out the way I wanted to. They're supposed to be white and these shits are yellow, but whatever, I'm just gonna leave them on there anyways because they're brand new, so might as well. But they actually look pretty good. I actually like the way the rotors came out, pretty clean. So hopefully I'm probably gonna buy a little bit more for the body, just vent visors on the side, make it look a little bit wider up top, and that's about it. Honestly, I'll probably get a little front, forgot what they're called, but I do want to get, there's a front grill that I actually have to change that makes the front look more open, but only certain people manufacture it and make it. So I got a friend on, well, not a friend, but it's, met some dude online who actually sells them, and hopefully I can put that on there and you guys like the way it looks, and just let me know what you think. But it came out pretty good. See you guys next time.